So hello guys, welcome to Dreamers Blog, and today we are going to make reaction on Lesti and Fildan. If you don't know about Lesti and Fildan, they both are from Indonesia. By the way, apa kabar? Aku cinta padamu and saya Abi dari India. That means I am Abi and I am from India. And by the way guys, I am a really biggest fan of Lesti and Fildan. If you don't know about me guys, I already talked about Fildan sir. He really want to come to India and want to collaborate with all of us, but I am waiting for this pandemic, but it's okay, everything will be fine. And guys, Lesti, I did not saw any song from Lesti Hindi song. I reacted all videos from Lesti, but I did not saw Lesti sing Hindi song. So please suggest me if she already sing Hindi song. But Fildan, he already sing all Hindi songs, and I know Shah Rukh Khan and Arjit Singh is his favorite singer and actor. So please, my favorite song from Fildan is Tum Hi Ho, Meri Aashiki Tum Hi Ho. He is very talented guy. Please support Fildan and Lesti. They both are very cute and talented. So please support, and I will put original video link in description. And today they are together in one stage. I am really excited to watch this video, so I can't wait to make reaction. Now let's make reaction. We will talk after. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Now let's play. He is Fildan. Dun dun dun. Which song he will sing today? Oh wow, yeah. Charitmala. Please tell me, what is the meaning of Charitmala? Lesti. Very soulful and emotional voice they both have, but this is perfect match, we can say. I really like them when they sing together. Whistle, look at this whistle. Very emotional. Oh, the rhythm. I know they are talented, but the rhythm, Bhai Sahab. Why? Wow. This voice is Cintaku. This voice. This is perfect song. Hoi, guys. I am so lucky that I can hear and watch this video. I really thank you so much, Indonesia, and all of you guys who suggest me this video. Actually, I am really big fan of Fildan and Lesti because they have something power in her voice and also his voice. They both have voice. I mean, if I try to sing, oh, I need this power, but Fildan and Lesti sing from this area, and this is pretty hard to sing from this area. I know I am not singer, but I know whenever I try to learn music, then they told me to try to sing from this, and this is very hard. We normal people don't know what they actually doing, but this is very hard, and I really want to clap for Fildan and Lesti, and they both sing very nicely together. I really want to watch again and again and again because they are very talented. And did you notice one thing in Fildan voice? Sorry, I am not singer. This is a Indian traditional singing rhythm style. I don't know how to say. Hope you will understand, and please don't judge my voice. First of all, I am sick, and second, I can't sing. Okay, I just try to tell you that Fildan tried to sing like that, and I mean he did better. I mean he is perfect. I am not judging Fildan sir because he is already judged in Indonesia. He is the pure talent in Indonesia. And Lesti actually, whenever Lesti sing, she always make us emotional. Fildan always make us romantic because of Tum Hi Ho songs and many Hindi songs, but romantic and sadness, they meet together, and the proper song which I want we saw today. I am so lucky and I am so happy. I know this is emotional song, but I am so happy because whenever I sad, I will listen this song again and again, and I recommend you to watch this song in earphone because you will cry. I know, because the true talent Lesti and Fildan. Please support Fildan sir and Lesti if you watch from India, from any place. Okay, thank you so much. Terima kasih. Terima kasih means thank you in Indonesia. I know because I want to learn the whole world language. That's why I am like that. Hope one day I will meet with Fildan sir and Lesti ma'am, and we'll try to learn from them how to sing like this. Cintaku. Sorry. Oh, I know I am wrong and I don't know how to sing, but I like to sing, even I am not singer. Okay guys, bye. See you in next video, and hope you like my reaction. If you like my reaction, then make sure you subscribe us because I don't want you miss our new videos. Okay, thank you so much, and congratulations to all of us. We already crossed 50,000 subscribers. It's really very happy moment for all of us, and Merry Christmas and also Happy New Year. Okay, bye. See you. Sayonara. Sayonara. Bye.